Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this very beautiful party decoration, rainbow colored party decoration. It is very simple and very easy to make. All you need for this is crepe paper and balloon, and within minutes you can make this very beautiful party decoration. In case you're new to this channel is all about party decorations, holiday decorations and all kinds of other DIYs. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button right now so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Let me know in the comment section below if you did like this DIY. If you want more amazing party ideas, then don't forget to subscribe. Press that red subscribe button. Do check out my other videos and I'm sure you'll find amazing party ideas to make your occasion special.